In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website. You can claim your faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the Faucet Pay. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim that faucet. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. This is the website pay you ethereum 20 times claim per day. Okay, and 53 ethereum you can earn, and you can claim 50% bonus too. Okay, this is all people claim from this website. Okay, how we can claim? Need a wallet address. Go to link address, copy your MetaMask wallet address, Ethereum wallet address. Okay, come here, paste, come down, click claim. Okay, let it come up and solve this captcha, and this captcha told me the track. Just choose the track. Okay, next one. Okay, another track. Okay, maybe no track available, right? This just two. Okay, just click claim, solve this letter captcha. This is 5, V is 5, VI is 6, IX is 9, IV is 4. Okay, wait 5 seconds, and after that just click get reward. Okay, it's very easy. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account, and after 5 minutes you can back and you can claim. Okay, I show you the payment, and you can see this website pay me my Ethereum. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.